Okay, the next thing I'm going to teach you is how to create the widgets that are on the sidebars. So you can see on my two websites here, I have a right side column, has my name and my contact information. This is a widget called Upcoming Events, and this pulls straight from my Google Calendar that I have over here. It just shows the next 5 things that are coming from my class. And this widget is called a milestone widget, and you can just pick anything that you want that's coming up, and it'll just do a little countdown. You can see on our symposium website, I just have our names and contact information, and this is just a text widget. So we're going to look at adding some widgets to Mr. Pendleton's website. So under Appearances, I'm going to go to Widgets. And automatically, some default things are in place. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. And if you just grab it and drag it away, it'll get rid of the widgets that are already there. There's a primary sidebar, which is the one on the right-hand column. Secondary sidebar. Again, I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of these that are already in there. And then there's the footer area down at the bottom of the page, and I'm going to get rid of that as well. Okay, now I want to go ahead and drag the ones that I want in there. So the first one I'm going to put is a text widget, and I'm just going to scroll down. These are in alphabetical order. I'm going to grab the text widget and drag it up to the primary sidebar, and I'm going to go ahead and put Mr. Pendleton and then his contact information. Okay, we have the information for his 2 schools. I'm going to add his extension numbers later once we get those. I'm going to click on automatically add paragraphs. That just makes it so that these are on separate lines just as they look here. And I'm going to go ahead and click save. I'm going to close this one out, and I'm going to add the next one. I'm going to do the milestone widget. So again, in alphabetical order, grab milestone. I'm going to drag it up here to the sidebar, and you can see I can put it below Mr. Pendleton, or I can put it above. I'm going to put it below, and I'm going to choose the title. I'm going to put first day of school. I'm going to put it in all caps. I'm not going to have an event, and I'm going to choose the date. Once I have the date entered and the time, I'm just going to click save, and again I'm going to close this. So the process is the same for adding any of the widgets that are here on the side. You just drag them up wherever you want it to go, whether it's on a sidebar or a footer area, to add your widgets. I'm going to add the upcoming events widget later once I get the calendar page set up.